Okay, we're back at Galveston Basin. We're gonna go in here and get a little better look at the boat, be able to film it, see a little bit of the do's and don'ts of it. Alright, so here she is. She's a 1981 Bertram 36.6. So, kind of do a walkthrough on it. Show you a few things. Coming in here, there's all the isinglass for it, canvas and everything. Looks like it's in fairly good shape. We looked at it yesterday actually, and did some videos on it. But as you can see here, controls. Has the 12-inch Garmin. I think it's a, if I remember right. Yeah, 4212. So not touchscreen, but you can do about anything you want to do to it with the charts. And there's a depth finder. Pretty cool. So it has radar, has the Garmin autopilot, so pretty decent shape. This one no longer used, but a lot of them are no longer usable, but they just leave them in there. Second depth finder there. And then we go below, there we go. We go below here. Coming in here, they redone the kitchen, did a really good job on it, looks like. So we've got the stove there, microwave that's also a air fryer. So on down here, got a vent. Fridge. They took out the cafeteria style seating and put in these tiled cabinets, and inside all the cabinets put these nice little, so all the spices deal is a little cute little way she put those up there. So curious how well those are going to stay on, but apparently they didn't have any problems with them. And then down here, the day head, front shower. There's the front berth. So needs a little cleaning up here. We've got a locker here. Even got the little light inside. What's amazing to me is that a lot of these lights and stuff still work. So that somebody cared enough about it to maintain it, to keep that stuff up. Coming back up here, this is another little closet. We thought about putting a washer dryer in there. Refrigerator. And engine rooms down there. Like a lot of them, they've had trouble with the AC units. So they elected while it's sitting here just to put one of those in. And then there's beautiful Erica. This is a master head right here. So, countertop that little stuff, but then the bathtub. Look how big that tub is. In that shower, so that's kind of nice. And then little jewelry box like deal. That's kind of cool. And then air conditioning unit. Pretty cold. And there's storage all in here. These used to have doors there and there, or some of them do. This one may never have come out with that, but there you go. That's a quick overview of it.